Good morning. On the occasion of World Environment Day, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, my name is Dash. Today we have gathered here to celebrate World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5. The causes of environmental degradation is human disturbance. Environmental changes are based on population, urbanization, deforestation, and economic growth. There are three types of environmental degradation. Environment plays an important role in living and the extent of life on Earth. Earth is a home for different living organisms. We all are dependent on the environment for air, food, water, and other needs. They are water degradation, land degradation, and air degradation. This impacts the global climate and living conditions to a great extent. The degradation has adverse impacts on humans, plants, animals, and microorganisms. We won't have a society if we destroy the environment. Famous words by Margaret. Human activities that cause damage to the environment include population growth, overconsumption, exploitation, pollution, and deforestation that all affects society. Healthy ecosystems provides clean water, purify air, maintain soil, regulate the climate, recycle nutrients, and provide good foods. Biodiversity is the key indicator of the health of an ecosystem. The environment is an important segment that enables the growth of all life and biotic components on Earth. It's our responsibility to protect the environment for all the species for the near future. 2. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Today I am here to give a speech on World Environment Day, and I am thankful to you all for giving me this opportunity. World Environment Day is the UN's most important day for encouraging worldwide awareness and action for the protection of our environment since it began in 1974. It has grown to become a global platform for public outreach that is widely celebrated in our 100 countries. Environment plays an important role in healthy living and the extent of life on Earth. Earth is a home for different living species, and we all are dependent on the environment for food, air, water, and other needs. Therefore, it is very important for every individual to save and protect our environment. Air, water, and land pollution are three major forms of environment pollution. This pollution has adverse impacts on humans, plants, and animals. My dear friends, we can make our earth a better place to live by taking simple steps like planting trees, saving trees, reducing plastic usage, and by saving all natural resources. Rather than complaining about pollution, such small steps must be taken to make our environment sustainable. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.